I got a package. Isn't this gorgeous lady? Yeah. Give me kisses. You're a big leg. You are. You are a big leg. Right. Can't open this package without you going nuts. Ooh. There we go. Right. Let's get this open. Oh. Shit. So. Oh, look at that. So they're all individually wrapped in tissue paper. So I've got little birds, grey, silver and red. So let's get the first one. These are, I think, 60s. So first vintage thing. Dog is a, oh shit, is a vintage nightgown. So it's got little flowers on the neck, and then it's bright pink and it's pretty. So there's one. Next one's in this bright pink. Oops, sorry. So there's two bits to this. So first bit is pajama bottoms with the elastic around their lobe to go with a pink robe and like satin or something. And once again, these have got the little flowers with the like little detail. So I will try these on. Like the purple. Oh, so this is a night dress. Long and fruity. And it's got this like little white detail on the boobs. Can't wait to wear that. Once again, soft and silky. A man about the house, and then thanks for buying my nightwear. Best legend. Best regards, sorry. And that was really nice of her. Oh shit. And now the ducky paper. Bright yellow. So there's ducky. And then it is a lace night dress to go with my other night dresses. Oh, it's so fucking pretty. I can't wait to try it on. So these have little clippers and little buttons, and this is the top half. So all your clothes are from the 1960s. Perfect size on the
What are you
leggings.
doing?
Well, if you must know, I'm writing a letter to Pop.
Same Papa died 17 years ago?
That's right.
There's nothing sadder than your daughter losing it before you do.
Look, Ma, I'm not going to mail it. I just read somewhere that you can settle your feelings about someone even after they're gone. And there are a lot of things I never told Pop while he was alive. I never even got to say goodbye. So
it's got little clippers as well.
This stored up emotion out in a letter.
Good idea, Pussycat. I'm gonna write one to Mario Larson.
Oh, I would like you all to meet Stevie. I'm gonna be coaching
watching him. He's a professional baseball player.
Oh, you got Blanche's number from the wall in the dugout?
Yes, ma'am. And it sure was right. I am having a good time.
Well, thank you, Steve. Now, here's the vitamins. Take them when you get up.
Oh, but sometimes I get up at 4 a.m. to, you know.
I know, boy, do I know.
Yeah, but I'm sure afterwards Stevie doesn't yell, "Help, come get me, my feet are asleep."
You better be getting to bed, darling. You're in training. Oh, wait a minute. Almost forgot. I want you to put this lingerie on under your uniform for batting practice.
And then it goes up here.
Oh, I know you said you'd help my game, but do you think this will work?
Yes.
I can't wear this. Do you have any idea the kind of teasing that goes on in a locker room?
Yes.
Oh,
Now,
it's got
look,
pockets.
let's discover the sensuality of baseball. There are just many, many, many similarities between baseball and making love. The mental preparation, the rush of adrenaline, the unspecified duration of the game. And you should hear the cheers coming from Blanche's room on Old Timers Day.
It's nice meeting you. See you tomorrow.
I know.
Come on, Ma, too easy.
That's what I was going to say.
And then with this one.
My talent is molding men. And I'm not doing this just for myself. I'm doing it for baseball, for the fans. The community expects something of me.
Oh, I know.
Oh, thanks for a wonderful evening. It's not many men who take a girl shopping.
Well, it's not every woman who likes to shop. Ta-da. Come on, put it on.
Oh, it's beautiful.
The stone goes on top, Rose.
Oh, it is beautiful. But before I wear this, Miles, I have to know what it means.
Well, it's a friendship ring, like Abbott might have given to Costello.
I love it. So now we're a dead comedy team?
What? It's that sense of humor. Oh, that's why I buy you jewelry.
Good night. Good buddy.
No, Rose, it's more than just a friendship ring. It's just that I want my ring on my girl.
Are you saying what I think you said?
So, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think.
You're saying
And I might do more of these in the future.